The struggle is real.
Guys, since my lesson in Filipino and Bisaya are getting more harder, I think I should test myself.
Get that one.
Okay, let me get one banana.
Let's get it. For Lolo. What's that? It's
Banana.
Tagalog.
It's bayasag.
Okay. What's your lunch?
Soup and chicken nuggets.
Okay. Ano ba to sa Tagalog?
Soup.
Ang vegetable.
Oh, I only know fruits.
Huh?
Vegetable.
Ano lagi ang vegetable sa Tagalog? Huh?
That's fruit.
Fruit?
What?
Gulay.
Gulay. Okay.
Okay, make a sentence.
Ang gulay for Tagalog, ang gulay ay what was the thing again? The Tagalog of lami. I forgot.
Masarap.
Masarap.
Another sentence. Another ano po.
I don't know.
Bisaya na lang.
Okay. Ang gulay kay dako.
Ayan, Bing. So, wala na ba to? What are these inside? Okay, ano man na? Yan ang
gulay.
This, ano yan? Tagalog ng mga gulay.
Gulay na malunggay.
What else?
Papaya?
Hindi. Sayote.
Oh, that's new.
What else?
Some food. Some food.
Okay, come here. Be, this one. What's this? Ano man sa man sa anang
Pillow.
dili sa Tagalog ba? Ay, ano sa Tagalog man? Huy, sige na ba?
I know this is easy, right?
Oo,
Even the grade 1 can understand.
Oh.
But I already learned new words other than that. So my
O starts with letter U. In Tagalog,
unlan.
In Bisaya ng unlan. In Tagalog, unan.
Unan?
Oh.
That's new.
New din na. Sige, go.
Ulan is ulan.
Ha, ulan. Okay, sige. Use the, ano na sa sentence,
Okay.
ang unan first.
Unan. What's soft in Tagalog?
So. Sige, other na lang. I don't know. Ang soft?
I cannot.
Malambot?
Malambot. Oh.
Stand up ka.
Ang unan ay lamot.
Ha?
Lambot. Is it that?
Malambot?
Malambot.
Sa Bisaya, be. Bisaya.
Ang unlan ay dako.
Okay, good. Congrats, B. Good job.
Okay, so for this part, I will be speaking Tagalog, but a bit of English. So, ako magtel para sa inyo ang difference sa akong Pandora at ang Rose Gold Pandora. 2 years naman ang Pandora akin at Hindi siya dirty. Hindi siya hugaw. Hindi siya. Ang silver, hindi siya hugaw. At ang rose gold looks hugaw. At ikaw, kung palit ka ng Pandora, akong choice ay ang silver. Kay kung 2 years na, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 1 year, hindi siya mahugaw. Okay guys, so I will be giving compliment to my mother. Wow! Let's test this out. Ikaw ang aking mama. Ikaw ay maganda.
Magandang dilat, puso ko yung nabiha. Wala nang hinantay.
They're both the same. Wait, ikaw ay mabait. Wow! Right? Is that okay? Yay!
Ano ba?
Ikaw ay hardworking.
English man na yung mong gamit.
Because I don't know Tagalog. Hey.
Abe, akong hair. Okay, describe akong hair.
Ang buhok sa inyo ay taas.
Ayun.
Ikaw ay nagpalit ng botelya.
Palit ito din namin.
Example,
Yan, what's that?
brownie. Brownies. Don't tell me you're gonna do it.
Why?
I don't know.